These caramel blondies are going to be your new go-to cookie during the fall season. My favorite part about these cookies is the nice layer of chewy caramel on top. Plus, we're adding flavor with some brown butter, cinnamon, and nutmeg, so it's just the perfect flavor combination all around. These blondies are really easy to make and they all bake in a 9x9 pan, so they're easy to transport to a party or a friend's house. I'm super excited for you to try out these cookies. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fall baking recipes. To start off this recipe, we're going to make some brown butter. Add 1 stick of unsalted butter to a saucepan. We're going to cook this over medium heat. As the butter melts down, a foam will begin to form. As soon as you can see golden brown flecks at the bottom of your saucepan and smell a nutty aroma, you know that your butter is ready. Transfer the brown butter to a heat-proof bowl and allow this to cool down for a little bit and stop the cooking process. Meanwhile, whisk together flour, baking powder, cornstarch, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg in a bowl. To another set of bowls, we're going to mix our wet ingredients. First, whisk together your brown butter along with granulated sugar and brown sugar. Once that's combined, we're coming in with 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk, along with some vanilla extract. Once all those ingredients are thoroughly combined, we're gonna add in our dry ingredients in a couple batches. This dough is pretty thick, so at this point, I'd recommend switching over to a silicone spatula. Continue mixing until all of your flour is combined. This thick dough is going to give us really chewy cookies. It's going to be delicious. Transfer the dough over to a parchment-lined 9x9 baking pan and spread the dough out evenly. Then we're going to come in and add some caramel on top. Smooth that out, and then it's time to place these bars in the oven. The blondies will bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes until the dough has set and the caramel has baked into the cookies. Allow them to cool in the pan for 20 minutes and then move them over to a wire rack to cool completely. Once they're cooled, you can finally cut them up. You can cut these into larger pieces, or if you want smaller cookies, you can get up to 16 cookies out of this 1 bar. These are one of my favorite fall cookies that I know you are gonna love. The full recipe along with tips and tricks will be linked in the description below.